Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, our theme is 为什么? That's why.
做乜嘅？
做乜嘅? Right? 做乜嘅? There's a lot of situations arise and we're like, why? 有可能是有人要请客了，对吧？我们说你为什么要请客？有的时候是你为什么打扮这么漂亮哦？有的时候只是看到他觉得心情不好哦，对不对？闷闷不乐。
对，
Right?
有点臭臭。
Exactly. Sometimes you see people, they might not be like extremely mad, but they are not talking anymore and you feel like, what's wrong? You feel so down. 感觉就是很 down 那种感觉。心情不好 How do you say that?
心情唔好。
心情唔好 Okay, 心情 that means your mood. 唔好 Actually it sounds like Taiwanese, but it means not good, right? 那心情不好有分那种比较郁闷型的，然后有分那种真的很痛心的，对不对？郁闷型是什么你知道吗？
什么是郁闷？
因为最近我也很郁闷，接到罚单。
闯红灯
啊，不是啊，停红线了。可是一样都不应该了哈，要遵守交通规则。Maybe because you got a ticket, a violation ticket, a parking ticket, and you're feeling a little unwell, unhappy. Okay, how do you say a ticket? 罚单。
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 海陆腔。罚单。
罚单 That's a different dialect of saying a violation ticket. 那有的时候真的心情不好，就是真的分手了。分手 Let's say you really broke up with someone. How do you say breaking up?
分開。
分開就分開嘛。Okay, actually means apart in Hakka, and it also means breaking up. Let's try to make a sentence out of this phrase then. Because I broke up with my boyfriend or girlfriend.
我是女生，所以说因为我男朋友和我分開了。
Okay.
因為
In V, that means because.
我嘅男朋友。
我嘅我是要女朋友了哈。
朋友。
朋友。
老我分開嘅。
老我分開嘅。就是跟我分手了。All right. So we kind of broke it up in there in between because either you want to say a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Boyfriend is
男朋友。
男朋友 and then a girlfriend is
朋友。
朋友 and it's all about saying because I broke up with my boyfriend.
因為我嘅男朋友老我分開嘅。
All right, let's review all these phrases. 心情不好 not really in the mood.
心情唔好。
心情唔好 Maybe you got a ticket. 罰單。
罰單。
罰單 and finally breaking up. 分手。
分開。
分開 and it's all about asking why you're in the situation. Hope you feel better soon, all right? 為什麼？
做乜嘅？
做乜嘅 And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按字寫章來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.